Baby me Adom TV pramto brekase na ohyane to aso de mo konsam foforo mu ye mampani na Adom danko Akufo-Addo 2022 free SHS graduate ne die fie nwotwe ni wo ma bo mo homode pa wo mo ene asuafo abo homode na 61st conference CHASS akoso wa Chimota school nkran ha ne mampani na Adom danko Akufo-Addo de ensemi to dwa wo chire mu se wo mo bo mo homode pa na so atamfo de obeye bia nya refenti omo hunu de nkra na ye no wakamfo Adom kase etwaso.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you with immense joy to share the remarkable progress in Ghana's educational landscape. My government's unwavering commitment to education has led to the attainment of significant strides in the areas of access, quality, and relevance, making Ghana a beacon of progress in the region. It has been done with your enthusiastic support, for which I am very grateful. I know for you, what is of particular importance is what takes place in our senior high schools. But you would agree with me that the quality of students that enter high school is crucial, as are what you churn out for tertiary institutions. In our kindergarten schools, we've invested significantly in our teachers, equipping them with modern methodologies tailored for early childhood development. We've provided age-appropriate learning materials, play equipment, and resources for interactive and engaging learning experiences. Through GetFund, we're executing 1,270 infrastructure interventions, setting new standards for early childhood education. These schools boast cutting-edge technology, including smart boards, to enhance interactive learning experiences. I'm pleased to report that a substantial number of these projects are nearing completion, and by early 2024, they will be fully operational. In our primary and junior high schools, government has focused a substantial number of its interventions on empowering our teachers through extensive training and capacity building.